Taking care of a child who suddenly stops listening can feel like walking through fog. One day they chat freely, obey simple requests, and seek your approval. Another day they shut down, argue, or pretend they never heard you at all. This story is about that moment and what sits beneath it. Rita noticed the shift in her 10-year-old son Ayash during the school holidays. He stopped answering when she called him for dinner. His homework folder stayed untouched in his bag. When she reminded him, he rolled his eyes or brushed past her. It hurt, and it also scared her a bit. She wondered if she had done something wrong. After a week of battles, Rita tried a different approach. Instead of repeating instructions, she asked him to sit with her on the balcony. He stared at the street below, saying nothing at first. Rita waited. When she finally asked if everything was okay, his eyes filled with tears he quickly tried to hide. School is harder now, he admitted. His marks had dropped, 2 classmates teased him, and he felt like he couldn't do anything right. When you tell me to do homework, it feels worse, he said quietly. In that moment, Rita's frustration softened into understanding. His silence wasn't rebellion, it was overwhelm. She put her arm around him and said she was proud that he shared the truth. They made a small plan. After school, they would spend 10 minutes talking about his day before touching homework. If something felt hard, they would break it into tiny tasks. She also decided to meet his teacher to understand what was happening in class. Things didn't change overnight, but the tension faded. Ayash began responding again. Sometimes he still pushed back, but now Rita saw it as communication rather than defiance. On evenings when homework felt heavy, they took breaks or switched to reading instead. Slowly, his confidence returned. Children rarely stop listening for no reason. Sometimes they feel unheard, pressured, or embarrassed and don't know how to say it. Listening to the silence behind their behavior can be more powerful than repeating instructions. For Rita, that lesson turned conflict into connection. The next time Ayash ignored her call for dinner, Rita walked over, touched his shoulder, and asked if he needed a minute to finish what he was doing. He smiled and said 2 minutes, then came on his own, and that small victory felt bigger than any order obeyed.